Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can cook Qiaoguo in Heartopia. This is like a brand new food for the new festival, new event, kind of. So if you go to events here and go to Qixi Fair, you go to start and then you go to the exchange store. Make sure you have orchids available. I did mention how to get that in a previous video, but you can basically get it from quests here, weekly quests, get more dice, and you are able to get it from doing this kind of like roll the dice thing. I've explained it to you guys before on like a Butterbear video. It's like the same mechanics, I guess, mechanism. Let's go to the exchange store here, and it costs 10 of the orchids. I'm just gonna purchase it, learn it, and let's go down to the stove and see what ingredients we will need to cook it. You're obviously going to cook it on just the normal stove here. So let's see where it is. Okay, you get 100 energy from this, you guys. I think this is the most worth it recipe to make. You'll need 2 wheat, 1 egg, and 1 oil. And it's people say it's easy to cook it, so I think this is a really good food to stock up on, especially when you are cleaning underwater. So just do this, guys. But yeah, that is how you can cook Qiaoguo in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!